Hello students, today I am explaining you intermediate second year 2B first chapter circles 7 marks important questions. So I taken the one 7 marks question from circles chapter. The question is find the equation of the circle passing through 3, 4, 3, 2 and 1, 4. So this is the question. They are asking the equation of the circle which is passed through 3 points. So let us go to solve this problem. Solution. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This is the equation of the circle. So let this is the first equation. Since it passes through the first point 3, 4. The first point is 3, 4. Now I am going to substitute this point in the circle equation. So in place of x I am substituting 3. In place of y I am substituting 4. So x square, it means what? 3 square plus y square. So y square is what? 4 square plus 2gx. X is what? 3 plus 2fy. Y is what? 4 plus c equal to 0. Now we simplified it. 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16 plus 2 3s are 6g plus 2 4s are 8f plus c equal to 0. 9 plus 6, 16, 25 plus 6g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. So once again I am explaining this. Let the equation of the circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. So let us assume this is the first equation, and if it is passed through first point, what is the first point is given 3, 4. So substitute this 3, 4 point in the equation of the circle. So where is x? There we substitute 3, and where is y? There we substitute 4. So x square means what? 3 square plus y square is a 4 square plus 2g write as it is. In place of x write 3, and 2f is also write as it is. In place of y substitute 4 plus c equals to 0. Now 3 square is what? 3 3s are 9 plus 4 square is a 4 4s are 16 plus 2 3s are 6g plus 2 4s are 8f plus c equal to 0. If we add these two constants, 9 plus 16 is 25 plus write 6g as it is, 8f as it is, and c is also as it is equals to 0. And next write the 6g plus 6g plus 8f plus c is equals to, take the 25 to that side, right side. So plus 25 becomes minus 25. This is now second equation. Now I am going to substitute the second point. The second point is a 3, 2 in the circle equation. What is the circle equation? I am repeating again. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0 is the equation of the circle. So in this, since it passes through the point 3 comma 2. So in place of x I am going to substitute a 3, in place of y I am going to substitute 2. So x square means what? 3 square plus y square is means what? 2 square plus 2g, right, as it is. In place of x substitute 3 plus 2f as it is. In place of y write 2 and plus c is equals to 0. Now 3 square is 9, 2 square is a 4 plus 2 3 is a 6g plus 2 2 is a 4f plus c equals to 0. Now add these two constants. 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 6g plus 4f plus c equal to 0. Write this 6g as it is plus 4f as it is plus c is equals to, transfer this 13 to right side, that is minus 13. The plus 13 change into minus 13. This is the third equation. Now again we have to substitute third point, that is a 1 comma 4 in the equation of the circle. So let us write now. Right, the equation of the circle is what? X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. This is the circle equation. Since it passes through 1 comma 4, that is the third point is a 1 comma 4. Now I am going to substitute. In place of x is 1, in place of y is 4. So for 1 square we can write now 1 square plus y square is a 4 square plus write 2g is as it is. In place of x write 1 plus 2f as it is. In place of y is a 4 plus c equal to 0. 1 square is a 1 plus 4 square 16 plus 2 ones are 2g plus 2 fours are 8f plus c equals to 0. 1 plus 16 is 17 plus 2g plus 8f plus c equals to 0. Now transfer this 17 to right side. Write the remaining as it is. 2g plus 8f plus c is equals to this plus 17, take to right side, that becomes minus 17. Now it is fourth equation. To find now g value, f value, c value, we want to solve second, third, fourth equations. Second equation is 6g plus 8f plus c equals to minus 25. And the third equation is a 6g plus 4f plus c equals to minus 13. And the fourth equation is 2g plus 8f plus c equals to minus 17. Now in these three equations we are having three variables. That is what g, f, c. To find these three variables we have to solve these three equations. Okay. Let now solve the 2 and 3 equations. Solve 2 and 3. I am going to solve these two equations by the eliminating method. So write the second equation 6g plus 8f plus c is equals to minus 25. And the third equation 6g plus 4f plus c equals to minus 13. This is 13 minus 13. Change the symbols. This plus change into minus, plus change into minus, this plus change into minus, this minus change into plus symbol. Next plus 6g minus 6g gets cancelled. Here plus c minus c also gets cancelled. So the remaining is only f term, that is plus 8f minus 4f is a plus 4f is equals to minus 25 plus 13 is minus 12. then f is equals to minus 12 by 4. This 4 3s are 12. F is equals to minus 3. F is equals to minus 3. After get this, now solve 3 and 4. These two equations I am going to solve now. Solve 3 and 4. Right now third equation, 6g plus 4f plus c equals to minus 13. And next write the fourth equation, 2g plus 8f plus c equals to minus 17. Change their symbols. Minus, this plus change into minus, plus change into minus, this minus symbol change into plus. 6g minus 2g is a 4g, plus 4f minus 8f minus 4f, and this plus c minus c gets cancelled, is equals to minus 13 plus 17 is what? 4 plus 4. We can take 4 common from these two. If 4 is common, then g minus f will be remain inside, is equals to 4. G minus f is equals to this 4 by 4 cancel one time. G minus f is equals to 1. So in this, now I am going to substitute f value, g minus, and f value is what? Minus 3. Then minus into minus plus 3 is equals to 1. And g is equals to 1. Plus 3 take to right side, that is minus 3. Now g is equals to minus 2. This is now g value is minus 2. In 3 variables, we got 2 variables. That is what? F and g. F is minus 3 and g is minus 2. And one more variable is there, that is what? C. To find c value, we want to substitute these two values in second equation or third equation or fourth equation. So now I am substituting these two values in second equation. See, in place of f I am going to substitute minus 3, in place of g I am substituting minus 2. 6 in place of g minus 2 plus 8, f is minus 3 plus c equals to minus 25. So minus 12, 6 to the 12, plus into minus minus, 8 3s are 24, plus c is equals to minus 25. Minus 12 minus 24 is a minus 36, plus c is equals to minus 25. Now c is equals to minus 25. This minus 36 transferred to right side, that becomes plus 36. Now c is equals to, so you minus them, 36 minus 25 is 11. This is the c value. Now I am going to substitute this f value, g value and c value in the equation of the circle. F value is minus 3, g value is minus 2 and c value is a 11. I am going to substitute these three values in the equation of the circle. See, the equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equals to 0. We assumed this is as first equation. So in this equation we are going to substitute this. Now write x square as it is plus y square is also as it is plus 2g. G is what? Minus 2 into x plus 2 f. F is minus 3 y plus c is what? 11 is equals to 0. X square plus y square plus into minus minus, 2 2s are 4x plus into minus minus, 2 3s are 6y plus 11 equal to 0. So this is now required equation. Now we can conclude, therefore, required equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equals to 0. This is the answer. So they asked to find out equation of the circle. So we substitute f value, g value, c value in the first equation. We got the required equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 11 is equals to 0. Thank you. Some more questions like this type of questions I give you in the description. So you try to solve them. If you are not able to do them, or if you are having any doubts, you comment me. I will do the problems in the next videos. Thank you.
This video, please subscribe the channel and like, share, comment. Thank you.
If you like this video, please like, share and comment, subscribe the Control Math. Thank you.
If you like this channel, please subscribe the channel Control Math. If you like this, like and share and comment. Thank you.